Huh? What?
Nuts. He needs
You want samosa? Okay. We bring for you.
Ngokoletera tu. Tebiti kwanza no aranga koletera. Ochikol. Mamu makeni okani.
Punta kami sa baba, guys. Magkain daw sila ng samosa. Ito yung ano ni Ma'am Cheryl, yung sponsor ni Ma'am Cheryl, pero hindi namin ibuhos lahat doon sa samosa. Ma'am, ito lang yun, oh. Sila lang at saka itong sa likod ko. Yan lang. Kasi tapos na yung iba doon sa kahapon sa labas. So ito naman sila kasi hindi pa. That budget that sent from Ma'am Cheryl for samosa. Okay. So we count first how much we spend there.
He's asking.
No.
That of yesterday or of today
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Of yesterday.
No. That
Of today.
just today. So that we not spend all that money.
Yeah. We are. Abi is coming.
Happy.
He's coming.
Okay.
Okay. Is there. Brighton. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4.
You
5,
count
6, 7,
first.
8, 9, 10. 11 man. And the Calvin now we are 12.
12.
Only.
So only or times 2.
If they are going to take 2,
2. Okay, 240. We spend 240 there.
others now today.
Or let's say 300.
Yeah.
Okay, that's only that down there.
Yeah, those I'm going to tell them today. Your budget was not there.
Yeah, okay. But you say first to Ma'am Cheryl. What will you say first to Ma'am Cheryl? Ush, come here. Before it will go before it will dark. Yeah, so that is
Thank you, Ma'am Jere.
yeah, Ma'am Cheryl and Ma'am Juby.
Ma'am Chudi.
Juby. Sir Juby pala. Yeah.
Thanks, Ma'am Juby.
Ma'am Cheryl and Sir Juby from Dubai.
Ma'am Jere. Juby.
Yeah. From Dubai.
Ma'am Jere. Juby from Dubai.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Jere.
Yeah.
From Dubai.
Okay. Let's go down there. Say more samosa to come. Mga cousin to ni Bella ang dami. Oops, slowly because it's light. Umuulan kasi guys. Pero hindi lang umuulan, konti lang yung ulan. Kaya ito malapok na. Ito si Bella wala pang ligo. Paliguan ko mamaya. Before matulog. Ito, tagdalawang samosa sila guys. Happy na yan. Kasi yung ibang budget guys, ipaplan namin doon sa notebooks, supplies ng mga students na to. Okay, we go first to the milk. Okay. Yeah. Go first. Go.
Kita?
Okay.
Tangan. Paganda.
Una kami doon. Puntahan muna namin yung order namin na milk guys para bukas sa birthday ko. Kasi nag-order ako ng milk. Papakain ko lang yung tea, mandasi, rice and beans only. Okay na yun. Yan yung importante dito ang kain nila. Happy isda. Snack, snack. Malamig ngayon. Malamig, malamig. Pag maulan dito guys, ako maputik dito. Dikit-dikit sa sleep. Okay.
Because they will misspell that word.
They will not remember.
Bella.
Naghanap kami ng gulay guys.
Bella.
Hanap kami ng gulay. Vegetables dito.
We are asking, we are fine.
We're fine. Oh, yeah. Wariri. Yeah. Yeah.
What if we are not going to get? If it is not that one that you don't like,
The
you know there are those one which you don't like. Yeah,
there's also one making clothes. Yeah.
yeah, there's this one. They are going to bring me even here, but the other down there is a good.
Madaming marites
Yeah,
dito
yeah,
guys
kasi-
paghapon. This is mangoes here.
See that's maybe
Still small.
yeah.
That is okay?
No,
Then nothing.
we are going to see if they are going to bring me. So
They don't have manago.
yeah, it's movie there. Now we go to our side here.
Okay. There is no. Okay.
If we,
Na. The sugumawiki is very small.
but that one is too small. You see there?
Yeah. Balik na kami guys. Da. This is the road we went to the river. Okay.
Or the other one we passed. Yeah, we passed the first when we were going there. Na kiki tu te ngwa kerwa tu te kurma babu mi. Ko sempo kelima di ngada makan. Makan. Beri. Kalau tu rumah makan. Makan lagi makan jam. Ah, yang ko tadi makan lagi.
We're going to that side guys. Doon naman kami bibili para din may halin yung isa. Kasi dito palagi na lang. Okay, banan. Why? I have bag here.
We can go now.
We go that side guys. Ito naman sila. Mga bata. You see? The big smiles. Bella. Diyan kami bibili, ma'am. Dito kami guys, pag kung may samosa sila, kung wala. Wala, not. Chips only. Not.
Igorong nga kumuatero. Nga gitu tata te.
Walang samosa, balik na lang kami doon.
Insa, di kumuatero te ko batay mo.
Ha?
Simor, to ka batay man.
They have only chips.
Chips is cheap. Cannot satisfy them. Now it means that we
So
must
we
go
good.
back.
Yeah.
No means.
Okay. Not. We search. We look for samosa. Yeah. Balik kami doon, guys.
Ay,
Let's go.
yeah, we can go.
Nagpalayo ako, guys. Andun ng iba na dumadating. Yung mga bata lang, oy. Mga bata lang muna. Kasi yung mga matatanda palagi na ayun, no. Ano na sila. Ano, Bella? Don't get. Ha? Just wait. You wait. Kuratan mo ko. Ha? Mga bata naman ngayon, ma'am. Mga bata muna ngayon. Si yung matatanda, tapos na. Tapos na yun sila. Mga bata naman. Yeah. Good. Samosa. Samosaga. It's like a candidate. Yung iba is isa-isa na lang. Yeah. Huh? What are you saying?
What do you say? Anasema? Anasema uko smart. Very nice.
Come near then we talk.
Okay. Okay. Say thank you, Ma'am Cheryl.
Thank you, Mom. Challenge.
Yeah, okay.
Now we are going to give him 240.
240.
Yeah, I
Okay.
look for that mom or this one.
Okay.
Yeah. We give
240.
him
Okay.
and we take our 6.
Okay.
So I take 8. We give him 300.
Okay. Wait. That's why she's dancing.
Now we are not the data to buy for them.
Yeah.
But we are even giving him money alone.
Okay. Sumayaw siya para ito yung mga youths. Ito yung mga nalibre mo, Ma'am Cheryl, ng mga youths. Yung mga matatanda ay wag mo na. Kasi tapos na yan sila eh. 2 araw. They are funny, yeah. They are funny, yeah. we spent the 250. No, 450.
Yeah.
450 for samosa, Ma'am Cheryl. So we have remaining 450 minus 1,000.
550.
550. So we have 550. We will save that for school supplies. Thank you. Bye. First, yeah, bye.
This one.
Bye. Bye. How are you? I'm fine. Okay, add that already.
I've made him.
Yeah.
Today even I'm not interested to use Samsung.
Gift. What is this?
Yang kaibigan.
Oh, it's gone. Bigyan namin ito yung bata guys na yung na ano namin na you give 3. 2.
So the time
Okay.
I'm going to exchange to give a P3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the others now?
Brighton
Okay.
was not there.
Where is Brighton?
Today he was
Maybe he's sleeping.
He saw Tom sleeping.
Okay, so let's go now. Because it's dark now. Oh, yeah. Hi, mga maritis. Bye! Samosa team.
Samsa team. Now we are going to exchange the menu.
Yeah.
You come with your kid, we give you books and pen. That's the team.
Yeah.